Cleaning has a major role to play in maintaining the sterility of the OT. What are the factors that we should keep in mind to ensure a good cleaning process? Number one is the right product. Glutaraldehyde is a very good terminal disinfectant and achieves good bactericidal activity. It is apt to be used in critical areas like the operating room. The right concentration. 2% of glutaraldehyde should be used when we are cleaning the OT. For the commonly used products, we should use 20 ml in 1 liter of glutaraldehyde. The correct contact time. To achieve terminal disinfection, we should have a minimum contact period of 20 minutes. If you want to achieve sterilization, this contact period should be extended to 14 hours. Before you use glutaraldehyde, the surface should be free of any organic debris. So make sure that the OT is cleaned with warm water before you apply glutaraldehyde. When should we clean the OT? What should be the frequency? Before you start the OT, in between cases or after any infective case, and after the day's OT is over, you should clean the OT surfaces with glutaraldehyde to ensure that the sterility of the OT is maintained at all times.